Hi guys! So, I've been living out of suitcases for the last 1 month. Our house was being painted for 2 weeks, and then I've been here for 2 weeks because of my dad's surgery. And I'm still here. So, a lot has happened over the last 2 weeks. This was filmed ages ago. We had Corona, we had Janta curfew, and now we're all sitting here during a 21-day lockdown. I asked you guys if you want to see some content that I filmed earlier. This was supposed to be Monday to Sunday outfits because I was living outside of a suitcase at my parents' house, but I've been here much longer and I think I'm going to be here much longer. So yeah, I thought I'd still do the video for you guys. I've tweaked it slightly to make it more relevant to you guys right now, since a lot of them were easy casual outfits. You can wear them at home or you can save them for when we start going out again. Enjoy.
It's a shame on me, I'm a fool for the melody. This is our party, and this is where the beat goes down.
So guys, now is not the time for any Monday blues. You have to stay home, you have to stay positive. So I would recommend wearing bright, cheery colors to keep your spirits up. Also with the summer coming in, this is super comfortable, super airy. So in quarantine, you can just ditch the accessories and just wear a nice, cool, comfy dress like this. And after lockdown, you can dress it up and turn it into a whole new look.
We're gonna dance like we don't care. Keep on popping bottles like we're millionaires. Yeah, we're just getting started, living for the weekend.
Now my Tuesday outfit is my current vibe. It's perfect to just lounge around at home in, or if you have to make that emergency essential grocery run, this is perfect for that. You can put your sanitizer into the bum bag. I'm currently in love with oversized tees and like long shorts. If you don't have long shorts, now is the perfect time again to chop off your old jeans and make yourself a pair.
I'm a fool for the melody.
When it comes to jeans, the slouchier the better right now. They're comfy, they look cool. This is just like my 90s look. Look at that shirt. So many childhood memories, guys. Now for right now, I'd say this is a great look to work from home. If you have like a lot of conference calls and you want to look chic, this is pretty cool for that. The desi twist outfit. Obviously there has to be one. If you're in the mood to amp things up and head to the living room, all you need is some funky jewelry and an oversized shirt. And of course, post quarantine, this is a really fun boho look. Ripped jeans, Gamcha shirt and chunky jewelry. Like it? Okay, this is one of my favorite dresses right now. It just feels like you're wearing a sack. It's super comfy and it looks great. And once the lockdown is over, you can dress it up with accessories like I have. Again, cropped denim jackets are really on trend right now. So if you don't have one, it's time to DIY.
I don't wanna live my life without you. My world's not the same if you're not there.
Tracks and tees are like the best lounge outfit. So this was like my hospital staple, which is why I had so much of this in my bag, and it's perfect to lounge around in right now. It's also perfect if you want to like step out, if you have to buy your subsies. So let's call this the heading to the sabji wala look for right now. Last but not the least, we have the Sunday fun day look. Well, right now it's not a fun day and every day kind of feels like a Sunday. I get you guys, I know. But we have to make the most of this. So it was meant to be a fun brunch or date look for Sunday, but it can also be like your Sunday living room date look right now. Just stay home, stay safe, guys. These were all the looks that I created for a different time, but you can use them right now or use them post the lockdown. Hope you like them. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and it was a break from all the Corona content I've been putting up for you guys. Stay home, stay safe, dress up if you want to, don't dress up if you want to, just stay home. See ya.